If you're one of the many people who find eggs to be a super convenient and satisfying whole food to eat regularly, you might be wondering, can I eat any eggs when pregnant? Are they safe? Well, let's understand what the risks of eating eggs are and what you can do to lower your risk while still getting in your daily fix. Stay tuned and I'll let you know. Hey there and welcome. My name is Melanie McGrice and I'm an advanced accredited practicing dietitian who specialises in fertility, pregnancy and infant nutrition. One of my goals is to keep mums-to-be up to date with the latest evidence-based nutritional information. So whether this is your first or final pregnancy, I have the answers that you're looking for. The risk associated with eating eggs is usually related to the bacteria Salmonella. While the number of eggs contaminated in Western countries is low, there's a potential risk from eating eggs that are raw or lightly cooked. The foods most frequently associated with Salmonella outbreaks include uncooked or lightly cooked sauces and desserts containing raw eggs. When you're pregnant, it's especially important to protect yourself because Salmonella infection may lead to bacteremia, which can then lead to intrauterine sepsis, which is incredibly harmful to your unborn baby. This increased risk makes it very important for pregnant women to take extra cautions to steer clear of Salmonella infected eggs. Now, Salmonella contamination happens at the time of or soon after the egg is laid and generally comes from contact with the chicken's poo. So the first way that you can reduce your risk of a Salmonella infection would be to avoid using eggs that are dirty or cracked. Interestingly, most outbreaks can be traced back to the use of visually dirty eggs, so this is a really good place to start. Once you've inspected your eggs, it's a good practice to store them in the fridge at less than 7 degrees centigrade to slow the growth of any potentially harmful bacteria and also to use the eggs before their best before date. Now, when you decide it's time to cook your eggs, it's important to avoid eating them when they're raw or undercooked. Salmonella can quite easily be destroyed by heat during the cooking process. Unfortunately, this means that runny eggs, no matter if you boil, poach, fry or scramble, are not suitable in general, but especially not during pregnancy. Now, the same goes for certain homemade foods that often contain raw eggs, such as mayonnaise, aioli, custard, or even raw cookie dough. Now, in addition to inspecting your eggs and cooking them properly, it's also very important to pay attention to avoiding cross-contamination in the kitchen. This means that foods that may be contaminated with bacteria, like raw eggs, shouldn't be placed near any foods that won't be cooked to a high temperature. For example, if you place your eggs on a chopping board and then use that same chopping board to make a salad, you may have inadvertently contaminated your salad with Salmonella from your raw eggshell. Being mindful of this while you're cooking could save you from an infection down the line. So, while there is a risk of contracting Salmonella from raw eggs, if you inspect, handle and cook your eggs properly, your risk is decreased significantly. And this is great news because eggs are not only an affordable, tasty and convenient source of high quality protein, but they're also a great source of the micronutrient choline, which is an essential part of your pregnancy diet because it helps with your baby's brain and spinal cord development. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel where I have plenty of videos on how to take care of yourself for a healthy pregnancy. Thanks so much for joining me and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Fridge. I still can't get it. Thinking about that plane, I can still hear it going like a pesky mousey. It's going to be a long day today, I think.